أيا طالب العلم قم لا تنم فإن الزمان
أيا طالب العلم قم لا تنم.
The Al-Binaa Al-Ilmiyy program will continue on for a year. Every Monday there will be an aqeedah class delivered by our very own special Imam, Qari, Shaykh, Zaka'ullah Salim. Aqeedah is an extremely important subject matter. The Shaykh will of course explain that further. It is all about our belief and how our belief gets us closer to Allah, and that we hope to meet Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with tawheed in our hearts. There will also be a fiqh class delivered by our very own Shaykh Aqeel every Wednesday, same time. We will conclude the week with the beautiful seerah of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Ilm requires effort and time. What causes you to come here is passion, is zeal, which is good. But what's going to continue coming over and over week after week is going to be the effort and the energy that you put in, inshallah ta'ala. Remember, it is an ibadah, and we want you all to worship Allah through knowledge and with knowledge, inshallah ta'ala.